everyone, it's Nicole from Sydney English Teacher, and it's time for another tongue twister. Are you ready? Okay, today we're going to practice snap, crackle, pop. You might have heard this somewhere before. I think it's either for Cocoa Pops or for rice bubbles, one of them. Snap, crackle, pop. Let's do it. Snap, crackle, pop. Snap, crackle, pop. Snap, crackle, pop. Snap, crackle, pop. Your turn. Well done. Should we try it more quickly? Let's do it as fast as we can. Snap, crackle, pop. Whoop, see, I can't even do it. Snap, crackle, pop. Snap, crackle, pop. Oh, so hard. Your turn. Well done. I think we should do it more slowly, don't you? Snap, crackle, pop. Snap, crackle, pop. Snap, crackle, pop. Well done. Thanks for listening today and for joining in. Go and practice snap, crackle, pop as much as you can and come back again soon for another tongue twister. Thanks. Bye.